Alright folks, today the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless gaming headset, and holy shit, this thing isn't just a headset, it's a f***ing abomination wrapped in a $200 price tag. Seriously, if you bought this piece of shit, f*** you and your dumbass decisions. I've left a link to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below, so scroll down and check them out if you're interested. Let's start with the design. What the fuck is this? This thing looks like it was designed by some asshole who skipped art class and decided to slap some cheap plastic and weak-ass RGB lights on it to trick you into thinking it's premium. Newsflash, it's not. The RGB lights, they're pathetic. They're so weak, I'm sure a flashlight from a dollar store would outshine this dumpster fire of a headset. And the sound? Jesus Christ. You're basically listening to your game through a tin can with a fucking string. You'll hear more bass from a mouse fart than you will from these shitty speakers. Seriously, HyperX, what the fuck were you thinking? Did you just grab some random speakers, toss them in a plastic shell, and hope for the best? You've made a sound decision, alright? A decision to ruin gaming for everyone. And the build quality? This feels like they took the cheapest plastic they could find, slapped it together, and hoped it didn't snap on impact. You can literally break this thing by breathing on it too hard. I'm telling you, I've seen sturdier toys in a fucking Happy Meal. You're telling me you want me to drop $200 on this cheap, flimsy-ass plastic nightmare? Hell no. Now, let's talk about comfort, because whoever designed this clearly doesn't know what comfort is. The padding? What padding? It's like they stuffed a fucking rock under the ear cups. You put this thing on, and it feels like you're wearing a fucking torture device. If this is premium comfort, then fuck me sideways. You'll be begging to take this thing off after 20 minutes. I'd rather put my head in a vice than wear this garbage. And the battery life. Oh, fuck off. HyperX thought, hey, let's make sure this piece of shit dies before the game even finishes. Because who the fuck needs a functional gaming headset, right? It's like they put in the bare minimum and said, good enough, knowing you'd be left with a dead headset halfway through your game. You know what would be better than that? Anything else. Look, HyperX tried, but they failed like a dumbass who tried to run a marathon in flip-flops. This thing's a hot mess in a $200 package. The design is trash, the sound is garbage, it's uncomfortable as hell, and the battery life. Don't even get me started. You deserve better than this shit. But hey, you don't have to keep torturing yourself with this overpriced shit. Let me introduce you to the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7. This headset is what the HyperX Cloud 3 wishes it could be. It's like the HyperX headset, but with the ass kicked out of it and replaced with actual quality. Finally, the build? Solid as fuck. Unlike that cheap-ass HyperX garbage, this thing's built to last. The materials are premium, the sound is crystal clear, and guess what? The comfort? Holy shit, it's like wearing a fucking pillow on your ears. If HyperX was a half-assed attempt at a headset, the Arctis Nova 7 is the goddamn gold standard. No bullshit. And the battery life? Thank fuck. This thing doesn't die halfway through a game. You can actually play without worrying about your headset suddenly turning into a paperweight. It lasts, bitch. HyperX could never. So, if you're tired of your HyperX Cloud 3 fucking you over with weak-ass sound and garbage build quality, check out the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7. It's the real deal and you won't regret it. Trust me, you deserve this. Like, comment, and subscribe, or don't. But if you're tired of getting fucked over by overpriced, poorly designed products, hit that damn button. Don't be the asshole who's still clinging to the HyperX Cloud 3 like it's a golden ticket to gaming heaven. Get a life and get the SteelSeries. Save yourself the pain, you absolute legend.